We got here 1978 Hobie 16. Got about 2 seasons ago. Re-rigged it. Did a bunch of repainting. Got some grip tape on it. Fortunately, last sale had some big winds blowing dogs off chains, and well, this is what happens when you got a soft spot in a big wind. You get a big old hole crack. You got a capsized hole here. She's pretty loosey goosey. Big damage here. You can see here I got marked out. Gonna cut all this out. Take a look on the inside. See if we can't fix her. Aloha. Welcome to Ula Ula and me. Here's my Hobie 16. I'm trying to do some repair on this big old fracture. I know you're probably like, dude, just like replace that, but out here in Oregon having a hard time finding another old Hobie 16 that's in good shape, so prevent her from going in the dump. So I'm gonna cut her open, see if we can't just re-strengthen the hole and try and keep her light and strong and get her back in the water. Safety first, of course. Got ourselves a Dremel cutting wheel here. Good for wood, PVC, fiberglass, laminate, mask, safety glasses, knife. Got the Dremel. Got a bunch of clamps here. We're gonna try and, before we cut into her, try and reinforce the hole with some 1x material. Let's see how that goes. So we got our brace step okay. It's not awesome, but it'll hold for the surgery. Alright, we got the Dremel. We're just gonna get after it. Get after the dog. Tried to do soft spot repair, and it wasn't great. It was not great. Fiberglass is so much softer than I expected. I'm really surprised it holds up to everything you put these sweet notes through. is going pretty good, pretty easy. Super simple tool setup. All I got, just a Dremel with a diamond blade, a box cutter knife, and just some kind of tool to scrape out the foam. Pretty simple so far. We'll see how it goes. So now we're just gonna kind of take some rough measurements and kind of make some bulkhead openings, essentially. About 20 inches. Just real rough, just so I can open the hole up a little more, have a little better access to do some of the interior repairs. So the plan is to run some bulkheads and then top those bulkheads with a top layer of ply here, and then just glass on top, and kind of in place of the foam, some more strength. Alright, so I marked out some spaces. I'm gonna cut obviously all this crap out here. The bulkheads underneath here. I'll run it to here. Give me a good view of what I got going on. This is really just to help me maintain like a little bit of a curve when I throw the bulkheads in, to kind of help me figure that shape out. But we'll see how she goes. Alright, this is before we got first day of demo. Got the top cut off. Also some access to the damaged area. You can see I got some fractures on the outside. Some stuff I'm gonna have to deal with on the inside. If you're curious what the inside of your Hobie looks like, check this out. That's what we got going on. Just some foam shoved in there, dude. Well, I don't know what this mess is. This is crazy. This is something else. I don't know about that, but I mean, it looks stiff. It doesn't look too bad there. We'll throw some more epoxy and glass on the top section around here and wrap up the collar. Make sure this area is nice and thick. This area seems pretty good still. I left myself some little shelves here to be able to glue the plywood on, and these are just to help get some on around the bulkhead here. I haven't quite decided if I want to do solid bulkheads or have kind of like open bulkheads. I'm still kind of working that out. I'll probably re-glass the inside. Probably throw some ply, because as you can see here, This is where the big damage area is. See that? This is gonna need some serious help there, but we'll deal with that as it comes. So that's it for day one of Ula Ula restoration. Day one, we got access. We know what to deal with. Take some measurements, get some material, and get to fixing.